Hello everyone and welcome back to our newest video. With you as always, me, Virus, and this time I'm saying hi from our studio here in Lithuania in Klaipėda, and this week we have this beautiful Lamborghini Urus which came to us for full paint protection film installation. So before we're gonna start installing PPF, let's move the car to the car wash, to our car wash, then we're gonna bring it back and we will start installing PPF. So, work in progress, bonnet is wrapped, fenders wrapped, headlights protected. As well, we removed a few parts and I would like to explain why. We always confirm with the customer if we can remove mirrors, handles, because it's not up to us, it's not our vehicle. If customer lets us, we remove these parts. If they don't let us, we keep them on the car. Because if we're gonna leave, why we do that? If we're gonna leave handle on the doors, we'll need to have relief cut and gonna be a tiny gap right there under the handle. If we can remove handle, then finish will be seamless. We're not gonna see any edge of the film. So we prefer to remove handle just to have this nice finish. Trims, if it's easy to remove them, we're gonna take them off and we're gonna hide the edge of paint protection film under it. It's more durable, aesthetically looks way better than without removing. And at the moment, Arnoldas is installing paint protection film on other side, on the rear quarter panel. To protect maximum, we don't use templates on these kind of panels. All small parts will be installed using Precut kits templates. For example, these black trims, bottom lip will be covered using template because it's too big risk to cut there by hand. So for all these small parts, we're gonna use templates. So let's continue. So now's the time to install paint protection film inside this Lamborghini. We will use pre-cut shapes. On this piece we have our templates. They are ready. All what I need to do, just peel it from this paper and place inside the car on the correct panel. That's kind of challenge to find the right piece for the right panel. So let's do that. So, Lamborghini Urus is finished. We installed paint protection film on the entire body, including headlights and all small gloss black parts. As well, we installed paint protection film on every single glossy part inside this car, just to protect from scratches. On top of paint protection film, we installed ceramic coating to add this extra hydrophobic effect. So, thank you for watching. With you was me, Virus, and I will see you in next video. Ciao.